Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Allah. Today I conducted online class. You know, COVID-19 is going over of the world. It is serious virus. It may attack any time. It may take your lives any time. So you stay at your home and you must cover a mask with your face and be length 3 feet away from the other person. My dear students, I introduce myself. I am a Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Uzangram High School, Kustia, Shodor Kustia. Now to the main point. My dear students, look at the blackboard. What you see on the white blackboard? Okay. I thank you for your correct answer. Another picture. My dear students, what you see in the picture? Describe it. Okay, you answer correctly. And this Hypomus mosque is this is Hypomus mosque. It is one of the historical places of Bangladesh, and it is also one of the World Heritage. So today's topic is the Shah Gambus Mosque. My dear students, I wrote down some questions on the blackboard and you also write down it on your khata. Question number 2. Where is the Shah Gambus Mosque situated in? Number 3. Question number 3 is which have on away with the this is of time. Number 4, when he Jahan Ali established this mosque. There are 4 questions. Write on the blackboard. You also write on the blackboard. Now I read out. First I read out the text and you listen it very attentively and after listening you tell me the answer of these questions. My dear students, let's start. Heritage is what we inherit from the past, live with in the present and then pass on to our children or future generation. Our unique source of life and inspiration is our cultural and natural heritage. When we speak of world heritage, it indicates places and sites that we inherit from the past and pass on to the future generation of the entire world. The Shaikhus Mosque in Bagherhat is such a heritage. It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Originally, the historic mosque city was known as Kolifatabad. It is situated at the outskirts of the Bagherhat town, not very far from the dense mangrove forest of the Sundarbans. Kolifatabad was a Muslim colony. It was founded by the Turkish general Saint warrior Khan Jahan in the 15th century. The infrastructure of the city reveals significant technical skills in many mosques as well as early Islamic monuments. Packed bricks were used for the construction of the buildings. The planning of the city was dominated by the tradition of Islamic architecture, and the decorations were a combination of Mughal and Turkish architecture. Thank you, my dear students. You listen carefully. Now, right answer of the questions. Okay, I hope you all write the answer and share with your partner. Okay? I give you only 5 minutes extra. Have you finished, my dear students? I hope you finished it. Now you answer of this question is similar on this paper, so you look at the white board and answer correctly. Which answer is correctly, you see. My dear students, how many World Heritage Sites are there in Bangladesh? 3. Have you understood? Is it correct? Yes. Number 2, where is the Shaikhus Mosque situated in? Subra of Bagherhat. Is it correct? Okay, thank you. Number 3, these are owned away in passage or time. Number B, domes. Is it correct? Okay. Number 4, when Khan Jahan Ali established this mosque. Number C, before 1459. Is it correct? Okay, thank you for the students. My dear students, now you open your EFT book and Unit 8, Lesson 1. Okay? Everybody open your book. Thank you. Now, read the text in the book again and write answer of the following questions. Read the text. I give you 10 minutes. Now, question number 1. Why is the site Gumbus Mosque a World Heritage? You read this is what you read your lesson. So we will finish within 10 minutes. After finishing your reading, you look at the blackboard and answer the question. Write down and answer the question on your card. Okay? You don't look at the blackboard now. Have you finished your reading, my dear students? Okay, good. You are the travel students in high school and you have finished in time. So, congratulations everybody. Now, look at the blackboard, white blackboard. I write down 4 questions and you read the questions and recite out the answer and tell me you are ready to tell the answer. Okay? Now, why is the Syed Gumbus Mosque a World Heritage? Okay, my dear, you tell me the answer correctly. Yes, answer is the Syed Gumbus Mosque is World Heritage by the UNESCO in 1985. Okay, my dear student, next question number. How are the decoration the mosques? How are the decoration of the mosques? Answer. You answer correctly. The decoration of the mosque is combination of the Mughal and Turkish architecture. Okay. Answer is the decoration of the mosque is a combination Mughal and Turkish architecture. Thank you. My dear students, number 3 question. Why were there many doorways in the mosque? Who can tell me the answer? Yes, stand up. Okay, your answer is correct. Many people can enter into the mosque easily. Okay, thank you. Many people, the people can enter into the mosque easily. Next question, number 4. For what purpose was the mosque used? This is the very easy question for you. Who can tell me the answer? Any one of you? Okay. Okay, your answer is correct. The mosque is used for prayer and court. Okay, again, the mosque is used for prayer and again. Thank you all the students. Okay. My dear students, read the passage again and fill the table. And I prepare you a pair. You and you make a pair. You and you make a pair. And in this way, all the students make a pair. Now, after preparing pair, I showed on the blackboard a table chart. Okay, my dear students. Now, you write down on your khata the table chart. Before you have done your class a table chart, and in this way you also fill in the gap a table chart. Okay, I write down Okay, my dear students, I give you only 5 minutes for fill the table. Okay, have you finished? Okay, thank you, my dear students. You for your correct answer on and share with your partner. I also tell you answer of this gap. You see it. Now, first the Chadbourne Mosque become a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Become a World Heritage Site. Okay. Number B, in the 15th century. In the 15th century. Number C, built a network of roads. Built a networks of road, bridges, public buildings, and these are deserts. Okay, I hope you all write down the answer correctly. Thank you all. Now, my dear students, today I have done a lot of works. Now, look at the picture, my dear students. Look at the picture attentively. Look at the picture of Eastern Mosque in Dhaka. Write a description on the Eastern Mosque with the help of the given clues. See the clues in your textbook also. Okay. This is, I give you only 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I take out your khata. Write down it. My dear student, have you finished your work? So, yes, you answered correctly. Thank you all for writing the description of the Eastern Mosque. Thank you. Now, I give you a special homework at your home. So everybody will do it at your home and send me with a messenger or WhatsApp or email. Okay? For this checking homework. My dear students, this is your homework. Write down on your khata. Do your area has such building like the Chadbourne Mosque or the Eastern Mosque? Write about that buildings not more than 15 minutes. Okay? My dear, thank you all the participate in this class. Tomorrow we will see you again another class. Thank you.